Good evening, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for October 31st. Okay, starting off with the natural gas. Been bearish overall from $8.20.8. We've come off $6.68.6 so far. A lot of other bearish calls in here. More recently, the trade below 3 even to 3 even 80. I said projected this downward 130 ticks plus, and we have traded down from 3 even down to 268.80. And the crude oil, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion, meaning tomorrow's range has a good likelihood of seeing a greater range than today's range. Been bearish from a number of different levels. I said on 1014 we left a minor bearish reversal above, more recently anyway, and we came off $6.46 from 73.18. And I said the trade below 68.93 projects us downward 350 minimum, $7.70 plus maximum, but we only attained 221 of that before holding exhaustion down here, which I warned about at 67.04 to 645. We held that with a 66.72 low. And now we have broken back above where that formation comes in right here, or came in this morning at 69.43, which now warns of decent strength, likely for days. And if we take out that upper line, which is going to come in at 70.43 minus 1.5 per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, that will project this higher at least $4. Likewise, if we break above that decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure. Okay, in the RBOB, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. As you recall, in past post-market synopsis, I said that the gas oil was the first one to warn that these markets were going to rally, and we've been seeing that follow through. In the RBOB, I said I warned of possible exhaustion at 189.48. We're currently holding this with a 190.11 low, and then the trade back above 193.45 now warns of strength, and we've seen trade up to 2 even 88. A further break above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 202.31 plus 3 per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, will warn of decent strength. And the heating oil, we left a minor bullish reversal below yesterday, seeing follow through strength with that. We also took out 223.18, which I said would give it added credibility. Heating oil, I'd said that the trade below 217.48 only brought in 5.75 cents of the 9-cent minimum we were looking for before breaking back above where it came in at 218.18, which now warrants a decent strength, likely for days. And we have traded up to 227.25 so far. Also taking out this line right here, which is also bullish. That came in at 220.49 minus 5 per hour. If we were to fail back down through that line, that would warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 219.67, -5 per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would also caution that we were likely in a, and this is the same for crude, RBOB, heat, Brent, and gas oil, all three of which we are in a bullish correction against the move down from October 7th. We are currently holding this exhaustion right here at 227.17. The next one above is at 230.82. And the Brent will likely see range expansion tomorrow. I had said on 1014 we left a minor bearish reversal above. We came off $6.80 from 77.08. And then I said trade above 72.62 should bring in strength. That was a break above here, right in here. Brought us up to this next level. Taking out this line will additionally project this upward. That's going to come in at 74.22, -1.3 per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that should project this upward at least $4. Likewise, if we break above there decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. Or if we fail back down through this line decently, that will also warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 72.70, plus 0.6 of a tick per hour, starting at 10 o'clock. Gas oil left a minor bullish reversal below 2 days ago. Seeing that follow through to get to the top of this gap right here, which gives it added credibility. Tomorrow likely has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. If we leave a maintained gap lower tomorrow, that will leave a minor bearish reversal above. The break above 653.50 here now warrants a strength, and the break above this line. And we are in a bullish correction against the move down from 727, currently holding this exhaustion right here at 680.75 to 681, and the next one up here is 691.75. Decent trade back below this line right here will warrant a decent pressure again. That's going to come in at 654.67, plus 4 per hour starting at 10 o'clock p.m. And the cadence going into tomorrow is the heating oil is the strongest, the RBOB the weakest by just a hair, and crude oil in the middle relative to one another. Okay, thank you for your patience. I'm sorry this is coming out later than usual today. And I will see you on tomorrow's podcast.